One quick video on a 2006 Z4 E85 LCI rear headlight cluster removal. Seen a lot of videos on how to change bulbs and things like that, but if you want to change the actual cluster, don't remember finding a video for it. So I've done it already, sorry about that, but I'll just quickly tell you how I done it. It took me literally about 2 minutes. So if we go into the boot, you turn this on here. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3 little 8mm bolts. Unplug this first, just push that clip down and pull it out, and then those 3 8mm bolts, take those off, and then just give it a little bit of a nudge, give it a smack through there, and it will come out. That's it, simple as that. Put your new one back in and tighten these up, put your clip back on, and simple as that, done. So the reason why I had to change mine is because I'll show you in a second, leave that. So this top line here, these are LED strips, so you can't change them. So traditionally on normal cars, or a lot of the older cars, the bulbs or the tail lights, the bulbs are just bulbs, you can just change the bulbs. But with these, they're LED strips and you can't actually change them. Potentially you could probably get an expert to do something with them. I rang a local company and they weren't interested. They said that it's going to cost you more, better to just get a headlight, or sorry, a rear light cluster. And that's what I did. So I went on Facebook Marketplace and I found this one here. Found that one for 120 quid plus postage, 130 quid delivered, which is a shame because yeah, it's cheap, it's for what they're going for, but it's a lot of money to spend on just 3 LED strips. But it is what it is. MOT is coming up and I needed to change it, so that was that. 130 quid, rear light cluster, new strip of LEDs, and it took me 2 minutes to change it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.